How to make a thumbnail in PicsArt. Let's see, start it up. Go to PicsArt first. We can add a plain background, so we can choose the color right from here. If you want a pictures, we got the pictures, all are free, no copyright issued. So we can take this, choose the orientation from the tools, crop, use the YouTube ratio, place it, then we can select your photos. We have a lot of stickers over here, so if I search peace, I can get a symbol, search stickers, everything right here. So I will select this, which goes with background. Let's select this. Make sure you have a premium application of PicsArt. Looks good with this. Just like this. Look pretty attractive. We can add text from here, like this. Can drag it down, place it like this. We can add a lot of things in PicsArt, so many things you can't even imagine, but you have to purchase a premium. You can use it without premium, but not all stickers you will allow to use. Yes, make it done, save.